This is a Ford C-Max Hybrid SE. So we're going to replace cabin air filter. That stuff I remove from. That's easy. It's easier than Kia Soul. Somebody before me replaced cabin air filter and he didn't put back one of that screw. So that must be, do you see this yellow? So that yellow hold it that part, okay? Do you see that stuff? This is cabin air filter. That stuff is hold it like that. So we need to push that one, remove this one, and what we see here, we see old one. Come on, buddy. That is difficult. So probably we need pliers. Old one. Come on, buddy. That is so difficult to catch you. Ah, freak. Let's use screwdriver. Ай, блядь. Курвы! That's so difficult to remove that filter. And I don't know how I put new one. You know? Whoa, блядь. Ah, Jesus Christ. Something on that is there. Some computer or something. Oh, okay. Oh, fucking shit. Ah, Ford made fucking shit. No, Kia Soul is easiest. Yeah, Kia Soul, you need to remove gloves compartment, but easy install cabin air filter. But this one, look at that. You see? And how can you put new one? How? It will be suck. Probably I need to remove gloves compartment too. So people, I prepare this new one. HEPA air filter, cabin air filter. That's part number. This for 2013 Ford C-Max Hybrid SE. That is the old one. It's absolutely same. Like that. Okay, but I do not want to destroy this air filter. And then another one, I will vacuum, and you need absolutely this one to clean that compartment inside. Vacuum and clean that, okay? Because if you put air filter, all mess is going to your room. To remove glove compartment, and in this Ford you need this one. We need 5. God, that's focus. 5/16 socket, okay? 5/16 socket is over here. That's 2 bolts. And another one is here. Look at that. I am big, very tall Ukrainian man, and not comfortable to work with this car. Okay, also we need to remove that stuff. Careful, do not break that. Okay, don't worry, it's will be going okay. And we have to screw, you see, this one and this one. Okay, remove all screw. Okay, careful. Do you see this wire? You need unplug that. Oh, shit. Just push some screwdriver. Whatever. Okay. Now we see that air filter. That's place for air filter. And why we cannot put that? Because that stuff, you see, that stuff is stay on your way. And I don't know how it could be like that. Loosed. Look at that. It's loosed. It's not fucking good. What that? It was something, I don't know, maybe some, I don't know what that, somebody has something in this car before me, I don't know what that exactly. So that is loose, and this is stay on my way. They stay on my way to ay. So we need to remove that stuff to put that on top something, because I cannot install air filter. That is Ford. I don't know, there's something by manufacturer did or did some custom. I don't know what that. Okay, finally I removed that. Now I see that place for air filter over there, and I will try vacuum clean that and put air filter. Let's do that. Always check airflow arrow. Do you see air? To me. So if airflow to cap, so you have to put filter like that. Let's try to do not bend. Oh yeah. That Ford manufacturer made no good. They made not good because that's all part. So to do not bend air filter, if you will be forces push that, you will bend air filter. You do not need to do that. So we need disconnect all these wires and remove all that stuff. Just move over here, okay? And from this side we will install air filter safety. So that plug is plug over there, okay? don't worry, you never mix that. Do you see? One is short, another one is longer. So short is going black, longer is going blue. But what I try to show you, to remove that, you need hold fingers like that, and after you can that carabiner move like that, and only after that you can unplug that. Okay, I try install filter now. So because I remove that stuff, okay, that is good. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's two wires over here. I will a little bit move that, and safely, come on buddy, what that, where are you? Oh gosh, something over here. Okay, let's try from that side. Okay, almost, opa, good. Do you see? I do not damage air filter, cabin air filter. That is going in his spot, and that is fourth little fourth, because I'm Ukrainian man, communist take all money from my family, so I'm poor person. I come to USA and working hard, so I cannot buy expensive vehicle. Come on buddy, let's go inside, please. A little bit, please, a little bit. Come on, where are you? Oh, come on. Oh, that's good. Something stopped that. I don't know what that. Yeah, that is very bad to be big man, very bad. I'm not fat, I'm tall, very tall. 6.3 feet, and that is, God, I can't, I don't know what happened. Jesus Christ, help me please. Come on, a little bit. I do not want to damage that, because I'm sensitive to dust, so I need. You see, my family, before revolution 1917, my family was very rich people, and communists occupied Ukraine 1922 completely. They took all property of my family, and I could be rich people like in America. People has land, property, everything. They took everything. So my family, I am poor right now in America, because I work a lot, and I just do myself. Come on. And I need to install that. I need absolutely install that. Please. What happened? What? Watch that. I already damaged a little bit filter. Do you see what happened? I show you what happened. Do you see this air condition? 2 pipes, air condition. That's 2 pipes. Look at that. They block my air filter. Thank you, Ford. Thank you very much, Ford, to make that. So I cannot move that, because I will. You cannot install air filter normally, because that two pipes not removable. Jesus Christ. See, it's black air filter. I can't install that. Well, so I want to tell you, when you come to dealer will not play like me. They just push forcefully. Believe me, I knew that. I had Nissan Quest, and they absolutely didn't put Nissan Quest was 2004, and dealer didn't put air filter in that vehicle. So I'm very sensitive to pollen, and I had a lot sick, and I didn't know what to do. I must go to lawyer and fighting for that, for my medical bills, but I didn't do that. So after that, I do not believe American. I know not all people same, but I do not believe American anymore. I do everything what I try to do, I do myself. No good people. They just want your money. Nobody won't make service very well. They just want your money. So slowly, step by step. Oh, I got it. I installed air filter inside. Okay, it's gone. It's there on that place. So that two pipes, Ford manufacturer, you need to make something another. Okay, you need to fix that pipes. That pipes must not, these two pipes. Okay, I'll show you. These two pipes, where is that? I do not see on video. Okay, these two pipes cannot block that way to air filter. Okay. Now we need to install this cover for air filter. I do not see that. Oh my God. So compare with Kia Soul and Nissan Quest. Nissan Quest I installed air filter very easy. That's, I talk about vehicles I had before this Ford. And Kia Soul get me 15 minutes to remove glove compartment and install cabin air filter. Ford is suck. I don't know another model of Ford, but this is my first Ford in USA, and I am not glad about that. Never buy. Do not buy Ford. If you're sensitive to dust, do not buy Ford. Okay? Buy Toyota Camry or Nissan or Honda, not Ford. There are two hoses. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, блядь. And no room here. Пидорасы, блядь. Just пидорасы, блядь. Сука, Форд, блядь, пидорасы. Ford, you must know your fucking shit. Your vehicle is fucking shit. Fucking shit. Oh God. exactly over here on top. I cannot catch that. Jesus. Do you see this three stuff? It must be catch there, but I can't. I do not see that because that fucking two pipes air conditioning. That's fuck. Do you think dealer will be playing with that? No, they will fuck that. They will just put like I don't know, like what. Okay, Ford is junk. That's my review about Ford. No, I can't install that. That is Ford. No, I can't put. Okay, let's bend that hoses. I can't because it's aluminium. I will be broken that, and the air conditioner will be stop working. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, that hoses is not good over here. That pipes, not hoses, pipes. Oh, I can't install it. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's try like that one. Maybe like that. Why? It's not hold. Why that is not hold? Okay. Maybe now? No? Ford is not good car. No good car for air filter, no good. No, I cannot close that. That's shrimp. Look at that. That's something wrong. No, it's not completely closed. Where is that? Okay. Now. Ha! No. No. Ford really junk. Ford.
Ой, Марічко, чичері, 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 розчеши кучері, 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 розчеши кучері, кучері, кучері. Я би тобі чесала, 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 якби мати не знала, не знала, не знала, якби мати не знала, не знала, не знала.
Come on. smooth something. No, it's not closed. I don't know what happened. I can't put that. No, it's moved. It should be not moved, but it's moved. Look. No, that move, it's not good. It's not sealed, because these two pipes, that two pipes is no good here. It's not good here. And that must be probably this must be click something, or something happened, but it's not happened. It's absolutely doesn't click anything. And what that freak. So maybe this again wrong.